Boo Boo and QQ.
Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's draw the ice cream. Let's draw and paint together. Let's start by drawing a triangle shape for the cone. Make the bottom of the triangle slightly curved. Next, draw a rounded shape on top of the cone for the first layer scoop of ice cream. This will make the ice cream look more realistic. Let's repeat the same to add more scoops of ice cream on top of the first one. We will use different colors for each scoop to create a colorful and fun drawing. We can use darker shades at the bottom of the cone and lighter shades at the top to create a gradient effect. Ice cream is a delicious treat that kids love to eat. It comes in many different flavors and can be enjoyed on its own or as a topping on other desserts. Children especially love ice cream because it is sweet, creamy, and comes in a wide variety of flavors. Let's draw lines inside the triangle to create the waffle pattern of the cone.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Let's start coloring. Yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four.
Ice cream also has a way of bringing people together.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Red color.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, oh fiddlesticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
The bright colors and creative names of the different flavors make the experience even more fun.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory
Light green color.
The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Watching the ice cream scoops being placed into a cone or ball is a thrilling experience for kids.
The clock struck two. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Sky blue color. Kids can bond over their love for certain flavors and can even share their ice cream with friends and family. It can also be a fun activity for families to make their own ice cream at home. However, it is important to remember that ice cream is a treat and should be enjoyed in moderation. Too much ice cream can be unhealthy and can lead to obesity and other health problems. Ice cream is a beloved treat for children. Its sweet and creamy taste. See you in the next video.